my students, I'm Madam Joyce Nyoni from Educare TZ. I'm teaching biology, and today I'll be with you to discuss our topic, which is the comparative of natural groups of organism. Comparative of natural groups of organism. And here, my students, our main concern, we are going looking on the kingdom Animalia. We are going to look on the kingdom Animalia. And here, my student, we can recall on where we end on the last session. That is, on the last session, we were talking on the phylum Annelida. So we have seen the little bit introduction of this organism, and also tukaangalia kuhusu ile tunaita general characteristics of the phylum Annelida. So in our today's session also we are going to look on the first characteristics of that organism Annelida. Tulisema this organism they are coelomate. This organism they are coelomate. So that is coelomate inamaanisha nini? And also the function of the coelom within the body is where now here we are going to discuss. So we can say that the body plan of the coelomate. The body plan of the coelomate. What are the coelomate? Tumesema kwamba this is coelomate example tumesema ni Annelid. So our Annelid, hii body plan yao ya coelomate inakuwaje? So now let's move together to see the coelomate of this Annelida. So tunasema kwamba in Annelids and other coelomates there is an extensive internal space or body cavity called the coelom. So within their body kunakuwa na cavity. What is cavity? Cavity is just like a space that is found within their body. So tunasema kwamba this is a space between the body wall and the alimentary canal. So that is space ambayo ina be created between the alimentary canal and the body wall. Ile space ya katikati ndiyo ambayo sasa tunaita the coelom or the cavity. So example, now we can see the figure 3.45 which express the coelomate nature of this organism. So now you can see this is the transverse section of generalized coelomate. So any kind of organism which possesses the coelomate anakuwa na hizi structure, or hii ndio structure ambayo inapatikana kwa coelomate organism. So now you can see we can start anywhere, but here let's start here on the outside. Here we have this ectoderm, somatic, and this is mesoderm. So hapa ndio ambayo ina contribute to the formation of the body wall. And also we have the coelom now. This one is the coelom. Huu wazi hapa mweupe ndio ambao tunawita a coelom. Ni space iliyo be created kati ya ile wall and this the gut or the alimentary canal, ndio ambayo na create the coelom. So also we have this mesentery. Now you can see this one is the mesentery, and also we have this a gonad or excretory organ. This one is a gonad or excretory organ, and we have the tube leading to the exterior of the reproductive system. Thereafter we have this peritoneum, and also we have this planktonic, mesoderm, and endoderm. This one contributed to the gut wall. So here ndio structure, transverse section of the generalized coelomate. So any kind of coelomate organism, they possess such kind of structure. So my student, after we have seen now the coelomate structure, now we have to look on the functions of this coelomate organism. So we are saying that the function of the coelom. So the coelom has the following biological significance of the to an organism. Inakuwa na kazi au importance, inakuwa na umuhimu ufuatao. The first importance here, we can say that it contains the coelomic fluid which acts as a hydrostatic skeleton. Kwa hao organism wana possess they possess a coelomic fluid. Hii coelomic fluid ndio ambayo ina act as a hydrostatic skeleton. So ina maintain the shape of organism. So also you can say that this is found in such organisms such as the earthworm. So that hydrostatic nature ndiyo ambayo inapatikana kwa organism like earthworm. So hiyo ndiyo kazi kubwa ya xylem, to provide hydrostatic skeleton. Remember the function of hydrostatic skeleton, to maintaining the shape of organism. So that is the function of the xylem. Apart from that, we have another function or importance of the xylem to this coelomate organism. Tunasema kwamba it separate the alimental canal from the body wall so that the function of the two parts take place independently. Kwa hiyo sasa tunasema ile xylem, remember the xylem ndiyo ambayo ina separate, inatenganisha kati ya alimental canal na hii tunayoita the body wall. Kwa hiyo sasa zote zinakuwa zinafanya kazi independently. So ile tunaita alimental canal inafanya kazi ya digestion na ile body wall inafanya kazi yake iliyokuwa specialized. Lakini hiyo is due to the possession of this xylem within this organism that are the coelomate organism. And also another function here, we can say that it allows the animals to grow larger. Due to that space, ndiyo ambayo sasa inasaidia hawa organism to grow. To grow in terms of the width, unene. Kwa sababu gani? Is due to the possession of the xylem. As you can see on the last slide that we have seen the structure of this organism. So hile xylem or that the xylem nature ambayo inapatikana ndani ya coelomate organism ndiyo ambayo sasa ikitanuka ndipo ambapo yule organism naye anaongezeka in terms of the width. And also we have another advantage, the importance of the xylem. We can say that the coelomic fluid may function as a circulatory media for transportation of food, gases and excretory waste. Kwa hile coelomic fluid, remember we have said that this is a cavity. Within the cavity is being filled with a fluid. Hiyo fluid sasa ndio ambayo tunaita coelomic fluid. Sasa hile coelomic fluid inakuwa inafanya kazi gani? So hile coelomic fluid inakuwa inafanya kazi ya transportation of food, gases and excretory waste. So hiyo inakuwa ni umuhimu sana kwa hawa organism ambao tunawaita coelomate organism. And also we have another advantage or importance of the xylem. Now we can say that it provides the spaces for enlargement of intestinal organ. So it provides the spaces for the enlargement of intestinal organ. So the result of intestinal organ enlargement is that increasing in the depth or width of organism. And also we can say that in some animals it plays an osmoregulatory role. Kwenye some animals hii xylem inafanya kazi ya maintain, hii tunaita osmoregulatory role. Osmoregulatory role ndiyo hile balancing the fluid which are found within the body. So that is the fluid salty and the fluid inakuwa ile kwenye ile balanced level inayohitajika ndani ya mwili. But that it is for some animals, not for all coelomate organisms. So my students, those are the functions of the function or the importance of the xylem that is found within the coelomate. So now we are going to discuss another thing, that is a classes of the annelid. That is a classes of the phylum Annelid. We have almost 3 classes ambazo zinapatikana ndani ya hii phylum Annelida. So we can say that in the first class here we have this class Polygochaeta. So what is this? We can say that within this class Polygochaeta, which include the marine bristles worms with many chaeta and parapodia. For example, here we have this Nereis, the ragworm and the arenicola ambayo tunamuita the lungworms. So lungworms together with these ragworms, they are found within the Polygochaeta. The word poly means many. So these organisms which are found within this class Polygochaeta, meaning that they produce many kinds of this chaeta. So this chaeta, remember, within the chaeta is where now the parapodia is found. So hiyo ndiyo klasi ya kwanza ambayo inapatikana ndani ya hii phylum Annelida.